everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Imad Khan. I hope you all are doing good. So let's continue our Salesforce admin series. So today we are going to start our the process automation topic. I will start from the workflow, then moving towards the process builder and approval process builder and approval process, and next we will learn in the Salesforce flow. Okay, so let's start workflow. What is workflow in Salesforce? Workflow, it is an automation tool in Salesforce that allow you to automate standard internal procedure and process to save time across your organization. Like for example, in your org, you want to automate some business requirement. You want to do some internal things in the particular or using automation, like you don't want to put some manual work there. If you are not there in the system, you are not online to the system checking uh, each and every minutes and second, so some internal things you can automate or organize using process automation tool. So workflow have two components. First one is criteria and second one is action. Criteria means in which it consists of the condition which, if found true, then the action should take place. And action means if you define some criteria, on the basis of that criteria some action will fire. After that, you have to understand evaluation criteria, like determine when the rule criteria should be evaluated. Like you put some rule, you define some criteria under that. So there are three options. First one is created, and second one is created and every time it's edited, and third one is created and any time it's edited to subsequently meet the criteria. Created means whenever you create any record in the org, that your workflow will fire. It will run only single time. And created and every time it's edited, it means whenever you create a record in your org and every time edit a record in your org, your workflow will fire. Created and any time it's edited to subsequently meet the criteria means whenever you create the record in your org, before before that your criteria is not meeting, but you update your when you update your record, now criteria is meeting. Initially, when the record is created, your criteria is not meeting. Okay, I think it is clear. I will explain you each and everything while giving the demo of one requirement using workflow. Okay, so there are multiple action you can perform in workflow, like email alert, field update, task, outbound message, and I will explain each and every action in a minute. But actions are two type, like you want to perform this action immediate, or you want to put some time triggered action, like you after 15 minutes this action will fired. Okay, okay, let me just take one example, that is a big deal alert. Everyone know there is a opportunity object, custom object, standard object. If your opportunity stage, there is a big list field stage, it's negotiation review. Okay, we have to send an email to the opportunity owner indicating that big deal is being created. Okay, we have to send this message to the owner that big deal is created. Okay, so let's start our demo. Understanding workflow with example. So search here workflow rules. Create a new rule. Continue with workflow rule. Select the object. Like our object is opportunity. Opportunity object. Click on next. Give the rule name. Big deal. You can put description here as per your requirement. Here we have to select the evaluation criteria. Like you can see that if your opportunity is a stage in negotiation review, then send an email to the opportunity owner indicating a big deal is being created and big deal amount should be greater than 50K. So here every time whenever you are creating a record and if you put the big list field stage in negotiation review, then your workflow will be fired. So here you can put created and every time it's edited second one. You can see that you cannot add the time dependent workflow action with this option. If you have a requirement to put your workflow on the basis of time, like in on particular time this workflow fire, so you should mm, choose the third one option at this case, at that case. Here rule criteria, here you will find two options. One is criteria are met and second one is formula evaluate sort rule. Let me show you formula evaluate sort rule. Here like you are writing the formula in formula field, same coming. If you have some particular requirement you can use this, but meantime our scenario we have to put some condition, some criteria. So what was the condition? Opportunity stage must be negotiation review. So opportunity opportunity stage equals to negotiation review. Negotiation review. Negotiation review. Okay. And second condition is send an email to the opportunity owner indicating big deal is being created. Okay. We'll say that big deal amount. The second condition is big deal amount should be greater than 50K. Big deal amount should be greater than, so opportunity amount should be greater than 50K. 50,000. Okay. Here we have to select add filter logic and 1 and 2. Okay. We have to select filter logic 1 and 2. Like both the condition will true, then your workflow will fire. So you have to use operator 1 and save and next. Your workflow rule is successfully created. Now what you have to do? You have to send an email to the opportunity owner indicating deal is being created. So you have to configure the workflow action. Here you will find new task, new email alert, new field update, new outbound message. New task means whenever you need tasks, there is a standard object task. So whenever you have to perform around the task something, so you can create the task like you can automate like it will show the pop-up on the under the particular object or a record page that this task is due, something like that. When at this type of requirement you will fulfill with the task. An email alert, like here our scenario is we have to send the email alert on the basis of some condition. Field update, whenever you want to update the field of particular object, then you have to use the field update. New outbound message means whenever you have to send the message to the external resources, whenever you have to send the message to the outside the Salesforce. In that cases, we use outbound message, in which we use mostly SOAP API. We will see later. Okay, so click on new email alert. Now let me just put the screen. Here you have to write the description. You can write your name like big deal is being big deal is created. Okay, object is opportunity. Here you will find email template. Let me just let me just open one another tab and show you what is email template. Basically, email template is nothing like whenever you receive some email from any external website, classic email template, you see that there is a proper structure. So for sending an email in a Salesforce, there is a template available in Salesforce. So you have to create a proper structure for sending an email to the users. Here, click new template. So there are four type of email templates are available in Salesforce. First one is text, and second one is HTML using classic letterhead. Third one is custom without using classic letterhead, and last one is Visual Force. Okay, last one is Visual Force. Email template is nothing. All user can create or change this template, and HTML with letterhead. Only admin and user have edit HTML template permissions, can create these templates based on the letterhead. Okay, and the custom without letterhead, like it is the same it is the same as above, but just we generally don't need to use classic letterhead. In Visual Force, only admin and developer can create this template. Advanced functionality like merging data from multiple records is available only this template. So this is the definition of all type of templates. So we will use text here. Click on next. Okay. Now here we will select we have to send the email opportunity owner. In our requirement, we have to send the email to the opportunity owner. So here we have to select opportunity field and owner full name. Here we have to select opportunity owner. Control C, available for use. Here you can create your folder also, like under this you can put this email template. Give the email template name, demo 1, description, sending phones to the owner. Subject, big deal is being created. Here you have to put dear and opportunity dot full owner name. Here you have to like a proper structure like please find the below details and look once. Big deal is going to write the proper structure as per your requirement. Okay, click on save. Your template is successfully created. Now you can use this template here. Email template, search. You have to find the demo one, your template and select. Okay. Now, Uzair, you can select here recipient email. If you want to default workflow user email address from where you want to send the email, current user email address. Okay. Just leave as it is. Save. Now your workflow rule is successfully created. Now the time is come to test it. Firstly, check that your rule is active or not active. Activate. Here you will see the checkbox is ticked. Okay. Now go to the UI page under sales to the opportunity object. Create a one record. Fill all the required fields first. Required fields. Opportunity. Stage must be negotiation review. Negotiation review and amount should be greater than 50K. Okay. So I am the current user. Email should come in my personal email ID. Click on save. 55,000 negotiation review. Now check. Let me check my email ID. Email is comes or not. Our workflow is okay. It comes under spam. Dear Imad Khan, please find the below details and look once. Big deal is going to create it. Thank you, Salesforce demo. So you can see that the user you have added, it will add on the recipient. Like I have added two users. So under the CC, two user is coming under the classic email template. From there, you can select multiple user. You want to send the user at a time. You want to send the email at a time. So that's how workflow is working. So that's it for this video. We will see another automation tool, that is process builder, in next video. Then approval process. Then we'll learn Salesforce flow. It is. Okay, if you are new to the channel, do like, subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you.